Here are some amazing facts about the mountain bluebird. Scientific name: the mountain bluebird's scientific name is Sialia currucoides. Family: it belongs to the Turdidae family, which includes thrushes and allied birds. Habitat: mountain bluebirds are commonly found in open habitats, including grasslands, sagebrush, and mountainous regions. Range: they breed in western North America, from Alaska and Canada to parts of the United States, including the Rocky Mountains. Migration: these birds migrate south for the winter, often traveling to the southern United States and Mexico. Coloration: male mountain bluebirds are known for their striking bright blue plumage, especially during the breeding season. Female coloring: females have a more subdued coloration, with a brownish or grayish hue and blue tinges on their wings and tails. Size: they are medium-sized songbirds, measuring about 6.5 to 8 inches in length. Weight: their weight typically ranges from 1.5 to 2.5 ounces. Diet: mountain bluebirds primarily feed on insects, especially during the breeding season, but also eat berries and seeds. Foraging behavior: they are often seen foraging on the ground or perched on low branches, scanning for food. Breeding season: the breeding season usually begins in April and can extend into July, depending on the region. Nesting habits: mountain bluebirds typically nest in tree cavities, old woodpecker holes, or artificial nest boxes. Eggs: a typical clutch consists of 4 to 6 eggs, which are pale blue or white. Incubation: the incubation period lasts about 12 to 15 days, primarily carried out by the female. Fledging: young mountain bluebirds fledge about 19 to 21 days after hatching. Parental care: both parents feed the chicks during the rearing period. Territorial behavior: male mountain bluebirds are known for their aggressive territorial displays during the breeding season. Song: their song is a series of soft, melodic whistles, often described as cheer cheer cheer. Calls: they also produce a variety of calls, including sharp notes used to communicate with their mates. Longevity: in the wild, mountain bluebirds can live up to 6 years, but some individuals may live longer. Conservation status: the mountain bluebird is currently not considered endangered and has a stable population. State bird: it is the state bird of Wyoming and is recognized for its beauty and adaptability. Behavioral adaptations: they have adapted well to open landscapes and are often seen in agricultural areas. Vocal mimicry: they are known to mimic other birds' calls, including those of hawks and other songbirds. Social structure: during migration, mountain bluebirds can form small flocks, especially in the winter. Nest predators: their nests can be vulnerable to predation from snakes, raccoons, and larger birds. Courtship displays: males perform aerial displays to attract females, showcasing their vibrant plumage. Flight pattern: they have a distinctive flight pattern, often described as a series of quick, fluttering movements. Population density: in some areas, they can be found in high densities, particularly during the breeding season. Interaction with other species: they often coexist with other bluebird species, such as the eastern and western bluebirds. Color vision: mountain bluebirds have excellent color vision, which helps them locate food and mates. Hybridization: they can hybridize with other bluebird species, producing offspring with mixed traits. Roosting behavior: in colder months, they roost communally for warmth and safety. Environmental indicators: their presence can indicate the health of grassland ecosystems. Predator avoidance: they are vigilant and can quickly fly away when threatened by predators. Singing while foraging: they often sing while foraging, which can help maintain social bonds. Cavity nesting: they readily accept artificial nesting boxes, which can help boost local populations. Fledgling survival. Fledgling success is influenced by food availability and habitat quality. Feeding techniques, they catch insects in mid-air or pick them off the ground. Flocking behavior, in winter, they may join mixed species flocks for foraging. Parasites and diseases, mountain bluebirds can be affected by parasites like mites and ticks. Environmental threats, habitat loss and climate change pose potential threats to their populations. Cultural significance, mountain bluebirds are featured in various cultural stories and local folklore. Observational behavior, they are curious birds and can often be approached by humans without much fear. Human interaction, they are attracted to gardens and parks with suitable feeding and nesting habitats. Distinctive tail, their long tails are often held up while perched, enhancing their striking appearance. Sunbathing, mountain bluebirds can often be seen sunbathing, spreading their wings to absorb warmth. Preening, they spend a significant amount of time preening their feathers to maintain their vibrant color. Diet variation, their diet can vary seasonally, shifting from insects in summer to berries and seeds in winter. Migration patterns, migration can be triggered by temperature changes and food availability.